Alright guys, we got another little how-to video. This one is how to make a stud without damaging the threads on a bolt. So sometimes you just need a bolt without the head on it. You can hold it with pliers, cut it off, do whatever, put it in a vise, whatever, but sometimes you have something that's all thread, maybe some all thread rod. Let me show you how to clamp it in place safely. Cut it to whatever length you need without damaging the threads. Clamp a nut that fits the threads into your vise and do this. Alright, a nut this small would obviously work better with like a Dremel, with one of those little small blades they've got, but I'm using what we've got to work with here in the shop. So, but you see what I did here is I just cut a slit through one side of the nut, and once it's cooled off, you're going to want to grab it. Yeah, okay, it's cooled off good enough. Now you see it's got some burrs in there, so I mean hopefully we can run those out. There we go. Okay, there we go. So, and once you use this thing quite a few times, it'll get a little easier to use. But you see the premise of what we're doing here is just take your nut, put it on the bolt like this. Now we need to cut this head off. So I'm going to turn this vise sideways, and now I can use the nut to clamp down on that thread without damaging it. So then I can cut the head of the bolt off, and I can reuse this over and over and over again. Well, there we go. You can see it's getting a little easier to use as the more I use it. And you just right on and off with your fingers. Easy. We're going to end the video there.